Are you planning to use Skype or Zoom or GoToMeeting and you're wondering if your internet connection is fast enough to transmit a good signal and get a good video of you? Well, I'm Brighton West. I'm a virtual videographer for coaches. And in this video, I'm going to share a really simple website that anyone can go to test how fast their internet speed is. So you just get connected up to the internet, ideally with a hardwired connection instead of a wireless connection, if that's possible, if that's an option that you have. And then head over to your browser and go to the website fast.com. And it will immediately start looking at how fast your internet is working. Now, I have very fast internet here because I am a virtual videographer. So your number could be lower than this, but it's still okay. I want that number there to be at least 5 Mbps. And then once you've got that, let's go down here to show more info. And we're going to look over at the number, once it turns black, the number in the lower right where it says upload. Ideally, the number in the lower right is also 5 Mbps or greater. But I think if you had at least 2 Mbps, we could probably work together. But if you've got something lower than that, or if you've got something that's measured in kbps, then we're going to have a problem. The signal's not going to be strong enough to record over the internet. Now, there's some other options, such as recording on your computer, and then you can send me the file afterwards. But we'll discuss those. Just if you watch this video and you find yourself in that situation, just let me know in advance and we'll get everything set up. The rules then are different for if you're on a Mac or PC, so just let me know which of those you are on. I look forward to connecting with you.